Hey everybody, how are you? We are going to put together a wreath for fall. And this is the same old wreath that I've used now 3 or 4 times. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use, and you'll see this in my fall decor, my white sunflowers, and I'm going to use a couple of these Dollar Tree little picks with the cotton bolls and the cotton bolls and the cattails and the pine cones. I thought that would be cute. And then I'm also going to use, I think I'm going to use the little pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. Look how cute these are. I'm not sure if I'm going to put this in with it or this. I'm not sure. Anyway, all right. Again, I'm going to try not to glue anything. Because if I don't glue, it's so much easier to take things out, and redo it, you know? Let's take a little of this off. We don't need all of it. Okay. Let's go in over here. I'll have to get a new grapevine wreath soon. It's no big deal. Okay. And then I like these. I think these are really cute with the little dark centers. And I'm going to use those as fillers. I need one more. Okay, so far, this is what we have. Now I'm going to put these in as well. I think I'm going to take them off. Where's my wire cut? Oh, here. That bit of green, and it's got a little bit of the orange on the tips showing the fall color. The reason I don't want any of the fall leaves is because this is going over my mantle, and my mantle itself has fall leaves, and you'll see in my home tour. Okay. This is a big wreath, so I don't know how much you're seeing, but I'll show you when I'm done, when it's on the wall. Okay, and I think, I don't know if I want to put this little guy in there. He's kind of cute. Put him over to the side. Cute. That is what I'm going to do. Okay, so I'll bring you over and show you what it looks like on the wall.